Welcome everybody to this live streaming on the topic of the metaverse, the law, and what you should do. Because the metaverse is here and is here to stay. And in this really short live streaming video, I would like to talk to you and engage you on this really important topic that is the metaverse, what it is, and why you should care. I'm going to share some tips and strategies that you can implement right away so you can be part of the solution. We'll also discover in this live video all of the challenges and the opportunities of the metaverse. And also, I'm going to make an invitation for you to attend the event that is coming up tomorrow, Saturday, April the 9th, on the metaverse. Are you joining us? So stay tuned because I'm going to share all of that with you right now. Tell your friends to join the live as we're about to get started.
Technologist will what? Came from
Well, it's been a long time since we have seen each other on the LinkedIn and YouTube and Facebook Live. I believe the last time we saw each other was for the Bold Summit on the business value of legal design. Remember that 3-day event with 20 plus speakers from 10 countries around the world, sharing with you live their real life insights when it comes to using legal design professionally, measuring the impact, whether it's business, organizational, as well as social. And we got such a great opportunity to learn from everybody who came to share, but also from each other. In case you missed the Bold Summit on the business of legal design, you can still watch the replays right there at legalcreatives.com/bold-summit. Make sure to catch those replays. They are available for a couple of days only. So yeah, if you're interested, make the most of it. And so that was the last time we got to discuss important topic, that is the metaverse. The metaverse is here to stay. It is becoming trendy, but also it is becoming something that can offer such great opportunities. And in this live video, I would like to share with you first, what's the metaverse and what are the legal challenges that the metaverse brings. I'm going to talk also about product design and how it can actually help us create legal solutions for the metaverse so we can solve those challenges. I'm also going to talk about why you should join the event tomorrow that is coming up on April the 9th. If that sounds good to you, stay with me and invite your colleagues and your friends to join. Let's get started with the metaverse. What is the metaverse? Why you should care? Well, first, the metaverse is not a video game, although it started as a video game and it is still used for gaming. But the metaverse is so much more than a game. In fact, the metaverse is truly a game changer. Whether you are an organization, a business, a legal professional, a public institution, you should really care about the metaverse because we are already seeing that this digital reality is changing or about to change the way we interact, communicate, consume information, consume goods and services and products, and work as well. So the metaverse, in a nutshell, it's this digital reality where we access through our mobile device or our desktop and laptop with the internet. We access this virtual 3D reality. Inside the metaverse, we can socialize, meet people, do businesses, attend events, get some work done. And I'm going to show you some real examples of how the metaverse is already being used, or at least planned to be used, to do all of that. To enter the metaverse, you need to have a digital persona, which very often we call the avatar. Does any of you already have an avatar or entered the metaverse? Let me know in the chat. I would love to know. Here are a couple of examples of organizations and businesses who are already using the metaverse, or at least working on establishing their metaverse presence to increase their brand notoriety, to also give new opportunities for customers to engage with their brands, to sell so they could grow the business. And the first of which is Walmart. May not be the first in the history of metaverse, but at least is one of the first big recognized institution that is not known for gaming, that is more shopping. So it's the first shopping experience that is being built in the metaverse. They started exploring the metaverse at the end of last year. They started to file different patents. And from what we can read in the patents that were filed, Walmart is going to use the metaverse to create a digital 3D shopping experience with a complete customer journey, where they're going to ship everything you need in your home with drones and other devices, which we don't know all the details, but we know Walmart is already working on this and even consider create its own cryptocurrency and NFTs to use this as a currency for customers to buy and exchange goods on their metaverse platform. We have also seen Nike using the metaverse. Nike has created Nike Land with a partnership with a metaverse platform, Roblox, which is known for gaming. So this is why many people make the confusion between gaming and the metaverse. Although it's a very similar concept, you can use the metaverse for so many other purposes. And Nike decided to explore and to onboard on the metaverse to basically increase the frequency and the quality of the interactions with its customer base. Nearly 7 million of people have visited Nike's metaverse store, and now Nike is even selling metaverse goods, so digital clothing that you can use for your avatar. So when you navigate the virtual space, you have your Nike NFT metaverse clothing. And they were amongst the first to decide to make this kind of digital equivalent of our clothing, but for the metaverse. Adidas is another company that quickly followed. They quickly followed Nike, and they have done something pretty impressive. They have issued NFTs, which is basically this kind of mix of technology and currency to sell online, and they've made 23 million profit from this metaverse NFT series by making a collection with different designers and artists, and they just went on the metaverse, created those NFTs, sold them, and it was a major success. Now we are seeing H&M entering the metaverse. So H&M store would be probably located in what is called Geek City, where customers could visit other stores. So it would be like a metaverse shopping mall where you could visit mini stores, attend concerts, sports events, and all of the digital collection would be available for purchase using another cryptocurrency, which would probably be Gitcoin. All of this needs to be confirmed. H&M has not yet launched, but is preparing to launch its metaverse shopping experience really soon. We have even seen people getting married in the metaverse. So just to show you what you could potentially do in the metaverse, those were the two people who first married in the metaverse in India. And it was, they created a digital avatar, they created a virtual musical performance, created a collection of NFT for the occasion, and made their weddings online in the metaverse. There was an equivalent in the United States, which was organized by a law firm in the USA, which leads me to also talking about law firms entering the metaverse. In the USA, Aaron Fox is building its virtual office in the metaverse as a way to bring the team together remotely online. And also in Canada, we see that Greenhouse Law also establishing itself in the metaverse. So lawyers and professionals are also establishing themselves in the metaverse. We also hosted many events in the metaverse. We host a Lego design gallery. We have one coming up tomorrow, networking experiences, workshops, and trainings. And so just to show you, the metaverse is not as complicated as it may seem to be. In fact, it's pretty easy to use. And we see even many kids using it. So it's an opportunity for us to use it, but also to counter the challenges, legal challenges in the metaverse. Can you imagine the challenges we are going to face? Privacy, data protection, IP rights, and IP infringements. We already seeing terrible cases of virtual harassments, identity theft, and so much more. So we need to start thinking about what we can do as legal professionals and legal innovators and legal designers to really come up with innovative solutions for this new virtual reality. And this is where product design kicks in. Product design is the process of imagining and creating and iterating and eventually developing and selling products that would really solve users' needs and address specific problems in specific contexts. And the reason product design is so important is because today there's so much competition everywhere. Right? If you would like to buy a TV, you have so many options. If you would like to buy a laptop, you have so many options. If you would like to deliver legal services, there's just so many options too. And so product design is critical for you to make sure you're going to develop a product that is going to be used by users, that users are going to find valuable because they can accomplish tasks and achieve goals with the help of your tool. And I think legal technology is the perfect example of that. What contract automation platform offers is a product embedded within a service. So they give you a service, but what they really sell is a product, the technology they have developed that is available via a platform or an app or both. So you can actually get to manage contracts, create contracts, draft contracts, negotiate contracts, get them signed, get them stored, find the information you need. And so this would be only valuable to you if the solution works, if it's valuable, if it's actually helping you save time, increase efficiency, and all of that. So this is why product design is so important. Also, to create legal products and potentially legal solutions for the metaverse to address all those complex challenges. And I'm about to talk more about that because that's what tomorrow's event is all about. So product design is really about helping you design an attractive product that has a good and modern appearance, but also that works, that is reliable, that helps users achieve what you say the tool is going to help them achieve. So the tool needs to work. I mean, that's obvious. So the functionalities needs to be useful for the users and needs to be available and to perform at all time. So why should you join the event tomorrow, this legal design gallery event that is coming up tomorrow? Well, because that's exactly what we're going to talk and show. We're going to show some solutions that have been designed using the methodology of product design. And I have just shared with you a little bit what product design is. So tomorrow at the event, you're going to be able to see some real solutions that have been prototyped within our online academy. You may know or not know that at Lego Creatives, we have an online platform where legal professionals from all around the world are able to learn legal design mindsets, methods, and techniques and practice those skills. And when they practice, they get to prototype some tangible solutions. And so that's exactly what tomorrow's event is all about. Showcasing the solutions and also discussing about the process that was implemented to get there, to go from problem to solution. Also tomorrow at the event, you're going to learn more about legal design thinking and doing. What's the mindset? What are the techniques, the methodology? I'm going to personally share a little bit more about product design so you have a little bit more insights as to how does it work and how can you do it if you ever wanted to give it a try. And also, it's a great opportunity to actually network within this community. We have built the largest and most engaged community in the legal design space. with lawyers from 50 plus countries interacting on the platform. And you can join the platform and make contacts and share ideas and share experiences and get to discuss topics that really matter and interest you. And so you will get to enjoy this community tomorrow. So what do you think? Do you want to join us for the event? This event is happening on Saturday, April the 9th, starting at 9 a.m. New York time, Eastern Standard Time, which means 3 p.m. in Europe, and towards the end of the day for Asia. The event is absolutely free for you to attend. All you need to do is to register at legocreatives.com/privacy by design 2022. This is going to be a great event for you to get to see what's happening in the legal design space, what can be done when we think creatively about the law, and for you to connect with like-minded professionals. Let me know if you have any questions in the chat. It would be a pleasure for me to answer them. If you do have questions, of course. If you have comments, of course, please don't be shy. Let me know your comments, your insights, ideas. Make sure to share this with friends and colleagues so they can come to the event and register as well to attend this virtual legal design gallery on the Metaverse. If you have missed the beginning of this live, you can always go back and watch the entire replay. It's a short and sweet video, about 15 minutes, where I share about what's the Metaverse, why you should care, and what you can do to make sure that the Metaverse is going to really it'd be a safe and an enjoyable place to be, because that's what we all want. But the reality is, because we don't know how the law is going to work in this Web 3.0 virtual borderless experience, we need to take a look and come up with solutions. So come to the event tomorrow, and I will leave you on this short video so you can get to know more about what's happening tomorrow at the event. Thanks so much for being here, and as always, stay creative. You've probably heard about the Metaverse, but do you really know what it is? And do you realize all of the legal challenges that the Metaverse implies? Data protection, privacy rights, identity theft, virtual harassments, IP infringements, and so much more. The challenges and the opportunities of the virtual reality are just infinite, just like the Metaverse.
This is why the Legal Creatives Academy hosted a challenge to come up with innovative solutions. Teams from all around the world are using the Legal Creatives platform to prototype solutions and experiment the legal design mindset, methods, and techniques in practice. By accessing the material on the platform, videos, lives, and virtual whiteboard for collaboration, the teams have created potentially groundbreaking solutions. Mostly, they've built their portfolio of solutions and they are going to present them to you. Join us for the Legal Design Virtual Gallery to see what the teams have created, but also to learn how to use legal design in practice and to see what's possible when we think creatively about the law. Register to join us at the event.